Welcome back to Shirley's Fakes Cakes. Today we're gonna make some fun and easy Santa hat cupcakes. And I'm gonna walk you through it. So to get started, we need obviously our cupcakes. We also need to achieve red buttercream. Achieving red buttercream is one of the hardest colors to get right just because it turns pink. So most people, they get their red, they put it in and they just keep adding and adding until it finally gets that red color. And then when you finally eat your cupcake, your whole mouth turns red. Nobody loves that. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little tip. Before you add your red, add a few drops of pink. Turn your buttercream bright pink. Then you only have to add a few drops of red to make it that red, vibrant color. If it's not turning as red as you'd like, put it in the fridge for about 15 minutes and those red colors will seep into that buttercream and it should be a bright, beautiful red for you without using tons and tons of food coloring. Also, we're gonna do green cupcakes today too because we're gonna make elf hats. They're very similar to Santa hats, so why not make some elf hats while we're at it? We're also gonna top off our Santa hats and we can either use a dollop of our buttercream or we can use a marshmallow or we can use these cichlids. So we're just gonna see what we wanna do here. I'll do all three techniques. You guys can decide at home what's easiest and works best for you guys. We're also gonna use our piping tip 1M today, our big rounded tip 2A, and we're gonna use our star tip 21 today. We are gonna make the cutest Santa hat cupcakes. So let's get started. It's time to make our elf hats. Now we're gonna use our 21 tip to make these look like Christmas hats. Okay, now to finish off, we can either do a dollop of frosting on top right here. Or we put a marshmallow on top. Or we can put our cichlid ball. However you want to top off your cute elf hats. Okay, let's make our Santa hats. This is my rounded 2A tip. Frosted the same way we do with our 1M tip. Keep that pressure the whole way. Now we're gonna finish off the hats. This one I'm gonna do the buttercream. This one, we're gonna put our marshmallow and our cichlid. I hope you guys had fun today watching these cute Santa and elf hat cupcakes come to life. Here at Shirley's Fakes Cakes, I'm all about the kid-friendly doing things in your own kitchen. I love doing the extravagant cakes, and yes, I'll still do those, but I also want to focus on doing things with your kids and having you be able to go in your kitchen with your kids and they'll be able to make these super fun, festive cupcakes. Also, if they don't want to do the piping around the side, they can also just put marshmallows around and put one right on top. Super easy, super fun, they'll love it, and so will you. Go make some memories, guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Julie's Bakes Cakes and subscribe to my channel. Push that button, guys.